Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Hey, top of the morning. Well, now, how you doing? Welcome back to another episode. I have this 2003 Lexus SC430. And I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change in this vehicle, and after that I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Destroy, like, destroy, bang, and hit hard the subscribe button, please. Can't stress it enough. It's getting hot in here. And don't forget to share, give thumbs up, hit the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Alright, that's all you gotta do. And I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this. Alright, with a stool. Boom, come with me, let's get it. Hey. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Hey, I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2003 Lexus SC430 with a 4.3 liter engine VVT. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, real quick. Before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share it. And if you have any feedback, please put it in the comment box for me. Alright, let's get it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna show you. You just go info right here, go maintenance, and right here you go engine oil, it doesn't say anything because it wasn't set up. So if you want to set it up by mileage, go distance, input 3000, press OK. Oil change will be notified after 3,000 miles. Go back, and that option is gonna light up. So after 3,000 miles, you're gonna get the message, okay? And then when you go back, it's gonna ask you if you wanna reset it. But that's pretty much it for now. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. I catch you up later. Alright, thank you for watching. And highlight your boy. I still boom. Hey.